Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to redirect link in Joomla. So if you want to do it, first you need to log into your Joomla administrator panel on your website, and after that you need to go to system settings. Then we will see here available options, but of course we want to manage our redirects, so we need to open here redirects. It is very important to select this one option, and then these settings should be displayed here. You can see here this information: the redirect system plugin is disabled. It needs to be enabled for the component to work. So you need to click on this link and you need to change status from disabled to enabled, and you need to click save and close. After that we need to click add new link and we need to type here the expired URL that has to be redirected. So for example, I paste here this one link and I want this link to be redirected to this new URL. So I paste here a new URL which I want to use. For example, I will type here this URL. So we want to redirect from page 1 to page 2. And here you need to set status from disabled to enabled. It is very important to do it. And after that we need to click on this one option, save and close. Then link should be saved and this link should be redirected to this one link. So in this way you can redirect links in Joomla. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in a comment if it's a problem.